Hey there! Happy to see you again. Today I want to show how to set up a video analytics mode and start monitoring. Our idea was to add the benefits of using your CCTV camera besides a simple video recording. In most cases, you are interested in monitoring some specific area, and we help you with it. So to start monitoring, we should set the region of interest. This is our entrusted area where the machine will monitor the activity and send you immediate alerts if some action is triggered. The setup is pretty simple. Choose one of the analytics modes. Then, set the area that you are most interested in monitoring. Please click the left mouse button to set the point of a polygon, or the right mouse button to remove it. To date, we have 3 connected modes and 3 in development. First, human detection. This is the motion detection mode to detect only humans, and not a dog or dust, like many hardware motion detection sensors. Any people who enter this green area will be considered intruders, and you'll get an immediate notification. The second mode is object detection. You can detect around 100 classes: people, animals, cars, backpacks, etc. In this mode, we store the start scene. So we watch for and detect only new objects appearing in this green area after starting. It can help for scenes with a noisy background, for example. The third is a Camdog mode. You set the polygon around your object and start monitoring. Please set the point close to the object border to get good detection accuracy. When your object starts disappearing, we'll send you an immediate notification. By the way, it works well with pretty small things, so it could be helpful for retailers to guard something. So after that, you could press the Save button, go to the Start button, and press Manual. Your system will start monitoring. If you have an issue, don't hesitate to contact us and describe your system and your problem.